Hey, I've been getting a lot of requests to do a Masterbuilt Smoker video. Today, we're going to smoke a pork butt on this Masterbuilt. Great thing about pork butt, right? If you watch for it on sale, you get it for $1.99 a pound. You can feed your family for the whole week. First thing I'm going to do to this pork butt is just put a binder. I'm using old Lee & Perrins. You could use olive oil if you wanted. Okay. All right. Now the bottom side's just got the fat cap, so I'm not even going to season that side. But I am going to season the inside of this guy. You can see I bought this, it was boneless. So, you know, at the grocery, the butcher, whatever, he already took that bone out, right? Now, for the seasoning today, I'm using this Thomason Bourbon Barbecue Pork Rub, J.M. Thomason, all right? If you want to know more about this rub, it comes in this nice little tin, and I'm trying not to touch this tin with the hand that I just touched on that pork butt. Anyway, as I was saying, if you want to learn more about this rub, it's a newer rub in the Armadillo pepper store. I'll put a link so you can check out the ingredients and all that good stuff. But you can see it's got a nice orange color. There's some big flakes in it. And then because this guy has been cut open by the butcher at the grocery, I'm going to go ahead and season the inside of this guy too. All right. Anxious to try this rub. I haven't tried it yet, but it sure does look good. And there we have it. You can see how simple that is. Just get over to this Masterbuilt and get this thing smoking. So let's just get this guy in the Masterbuilt. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but this pork butt is 5 pounds. Get the door shut. About a couple hours, we'll come back, put the temp probe in it, and go from there. Now for my wood today, I'm going to use cherry wood chips, and I hope you can see that. We're starting to get a nice light smoke coming out of there. I got the vent half open. I got the temp on this guy set to 275 degrees. Still have short days, so I want to get this cooked as quick as I can. Now, it's been 2 hours, okay? Just want to get this temp probe in this. I always like to let it go an hour or two. That allows this temp probe to get hot, just in case there's anything, you know, any germs on it to kill them off. You know, I do clean it, of course, before I put it up each time. All right, so I'm not even going to check the temp. I mean, we can look up here, but, you know, so we're just going to shut this lid, let it go another hour, and then we'll look at it. We may start spritzing it. I hope you can see that. It's been 3 hours. We're at 143 degrees F. All right, now what I'm going to do is just come in here, mist this bad boy up a little bit. This is just apple juice. We're going to let it go another couple hours. We'll check on it again. It's been 6 hours. Our meat probe is showing 160. You can see we've already got a nice dark bark on the outside. I need to speed this cook up a little bit, so we're going to wrap this boy. I got her on the foil, as you can see. I'm going to take that same apple juice that I was spritzing it with. Just put a little in there. That'll give it some moisture as it's continuing to cook. Oh, look at that. I didn't plan my foil out too good, did I? No worries. We'll get this figured out. Okay. Just fold that foil up like so. Fold this foil up like so. Okay. Don't seem to be leaking out. It's a little bit hot. Let's get it back in that Masterbuilt. It's been almost 8.5 hours. My probe's reading 198. I usually like to bring my pulled pork on up to 200, but it's getting dark, and we're not going to be able to see it if I don't take it off. So let me just get this guy in here. It'll be close. I mean, don't worry. I mean, it's not like it's going to be bad. You can take it off 198, 200. What's most important is that it's tender. Now, obviously, like I said, it's 198, so it's pretty daggone hot. I'm going to be careful with this foil. All right. Oh, does this smell good? Look at the bark on that. Look at that awesome juice we got down here. Well, you probably can't see that from the camera. But let me do this. Let me just scoot this over. Okay. Yeah, I want to get this guy out of here. Out. Oh, plenty tender, as you can see that. We don't have to worry about it, whether or not it's done. Look at that. Let me just get that bad boy off of there. Let me get rid of this juice. We're going to let it cool down 10-15 minutes. Then we're going to give it a taste test. Okay, look at that. It's going to pull apart. Look at that. Pull apart real easy. I don't have my shredders. You can do this with a fork, 2 forks. It works best if you have a big aluminum foil pan. You can drop it all down in there and shred it apart. We got our pulled pork here. Been resting about 10 minutes. Just look at the beautiful crust on that. All right. So easy to do in the Masterbuilt. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. Juicy, flavorful. You know, we used this J.M. Thomason, right? This Bourbon barbecue rub. Gave it a great crust, great color. Can you see that? Look at that crust on the outside, that bark, barbecue term, bark. Absolutely delicious. That's just how easy it is to make in this Masterbuilt. Thanks for watching.